Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are taking some gel pressed prints and turning them into beautiful pendants. Now, we all love to gel press, but sometimes the prints just stack up. And when you have a favorite or a favorite piece of a print, you can now turn it into a beautiful pendant. And I'm gonna show you how. Are you ready? Let's make some gel pressed jewelry. The earliest examples of wood block printing on paper appear in the mid-7th century in China. By the 9th century, printing on paper had taken off. Ancient civilizations found natural resin from the barks of trees, herbal flowers, and shrub buds. The Neolithic civilizations extracted resin from birch trees. Then they used it as a fixative to make weapons. The earliest known jewelry was created about 100,000 years ago. It was made out of tiny seashells that were drilled and strung together. I'm gonna leave a link for everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and you know I'll get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like Pulp Fiction, Perfect Paper Projects, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.